So I have the pure water filter system for my sink, and as you know, I have to change out the filters like every 2 or 3 months. So I like to get these filter cartridges that are compatible with the pure water system because they are a little bit more affordable and they make the water taste just as great. And they come in a 3-pack, so that's gonna last you like 6 to 9 months.
The filters look just like the ones that come with the pure water system, and they're 100% compatible. Just simply take out your old filter, dispose of it, and then put in your new filter from Ice Pure. Look at how when I turn the filter on for the first time, that it flashes green, telling me that it's a new, good, clean filter. Then let the water run for 5 minutes. Now it's time for a good old taste test.
Oh yeah, that's clean, it's crisp. It tastes just like it does with the pure water filter. These get out all the heavy metals, the rust, the chlorine, the dust, all that. So if you're looking for a water filter that works just as good as the pure water filters do, but are more affordable, then you definitely gotta check these out by Ice Pure.